Welcome to our video on the 6 best foods for your nervous system. Today we're diving into an important topic, particularly for those dealing with neuropathy. Neuropathy, often caused by diabetes or other conditions, can lead to pain, tingling, and numbness in the extremities. The good news is that certain foods can help support your nervous system and alleviate some of these symptoms. Ready to find out what they are? Let's get started. Starting our list at number 6 are leafy green vegetables. Foods like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are powerhouses of nutrition, packed with essential vitamins and minerals, particularly B vitamins. These vitamins, including B1, thiamine, B6, and B12, play a crucial role in maintaining nerve health. B vitamins are vital for producing neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain and nervous system. They also help repair nerve tissues and protect them from damage. Leafy greens are also rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and damage to nerve cells. By protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress, antioxidants in leafy greens support overall nervous system function and can help alleviate symptoms of neuropathy, such as pain, tingling, and numbness. Moreover, leafy greens contain important minerals like magnesium and potassium, which are essential for nerve function. Magnesium helps regulate nerve transmission and muscle contraction, while potassium is crucial for maintaining the electrical conductivity of the brain and nerves. These minerals work together to ensure that nerve cells function properly and efficiently. Start your day with a spinach smoothie. It can provide a significant boost of vitamins and minerals to support your nervous system. And for lunchtime, kale salad with a variety of colorful vegetables can offer a satisfying and nutrient-rich meal. Additionally, incorporating Swiss chard into your dinner, whether sautéed or added to soups and stews, can help ensure you get a balanced intake of these essential nutrients. These greens are not only beneficial for your nerves, but also contribute to heart health, bone strength, and a robust immune system. At number 5, we have fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for maintaining the health of your nervous system. These essential fats, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, play a vital role in the structure and function of nerve cells. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation in the body, which is particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from neuropathy. Inflammation can cause pain, swelling, and damage to nerves, exacerbating neuropathy symptoms. By incorporating omega-3 rich fish into your diet, you can help mitigate inflammation, thereby alleviating pain and discomfort associated with neuropathy. Furthermore, omega-3 fatty acids support the formation and maintenance of myelin, the protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that omega-3 supplementation significantly reduced neuropathic pain in patients with diabetic neuropathy. Another study in the Journal of Neuroscience indicated that omega-3s could enhance nerve regeneration and repair, further underscoring their importance for nerve health. Aim to consume fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines at least 2 to 3 times per week. These fish can be prepared in various ways, such as grilling, baking, or steaming, making them a versatile addition to your meals. If you're not a fan of fish or have dietary restrictions, omega-3 supplements are available as an alternative. Fish oil capsules and algal oil supplements, a plant-based source of DHA, can help ensure you receive adequate omega-3 intake. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Sliding into number 4 are nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for maintaining optimal nerve function. Among the key nutrients found in nuts and seeds are vitamin E and magnesium, both of which play critical roles in supporting the nervous system. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin E helps maintain the integrity and function of nerve cells, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with neuropathy. Magnesium is another vital nutrient found abundantly in nuts and seeds. This mineral is crucial for nerve transmission and muscle function. It helps regulate neurotransmitters, the chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells, ensuring that your nervous system operates smoothly. Adequate magnesium levels can help prevent nerve excitability and reduce the risk of nerve damage. In addition to vitamin E and magnesium, nuts and seeds are rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining the structure and function of cell membranes, including those of nerve cells. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain associated with neuropathy. Nuts and seeds also provide B vitamins, particularly B1, thiamine, B6, and B12, which are essential for nerve health. So, start your day with a breakfast of oatmeal topped with chia seeds and walnuts, which can provide a nutritious boost for your nervous system. A lunchtime salad with a variety of vegetables, almonds, and a flaxseed dressing can offer a satisfying and healthful meal. Moreover, nuts and seeds can be used in baking or cooking. You can add ground flax seeds to your pancake or muffin batter, or use almond flour as a base for gluten-free baking. At number 3, we have whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat. These nutritious grains are an excellent source of B vitamins, including B1, thiamine, B6, and B12, all of which are essential for maintaining nerve health. B vitamins play a crucial role in the production of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells, and in maintaining the overall health and function of nerve cells. Thiamine, B1, is particularly important for nerve function as it helps convert carbohydrates into energy, which is vital for nerve cell metabolism. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to nerve damage and conditions like peripheral neuropathy. Including whole grains in your diet ensures that your body gets an adequate supply of this vital nutrient. Vitamin B6 is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which are important for mood regulation and nerve function. B6 also aids in the production of myelin, the protective sheath around nerves that ensures efficient transmission of nerve signals. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the health of the nervous system and the production of red blood cells. It helps protect nerve cells and promotes the regeneration of damaged nerves. A deficiency in B12 can lead to neurological symptoms and neuropathy. Whole grains provide a good source of B12, supporting overall nerve function. In addition to B vitamins, whole grains are rich in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar is crucial for individuals with neuropathy, as fluctuations in blood sugar can exacerbate nerve damage. The fiber in whole grains also promotes digestive health and can help prevent constipation, a common issue for those with neuropathy. Incorporating whole grains into your diet is simple and can be done in a variety of ways. For example, a wholesome lunch could include a quinoa salad with mixed vegetables and a light vinaigrette, providing a balanced meal rich in B vitamins and fiber. If you prefer baking, consider using whole wheat flour instead of refined flour to make bread, muffins, or pancakes. This simple swap can significantly boost the nutritional value of your baked goods and support your nervous system. Nearly at the top, at number 2, are avocados. These creamy fruits are a powerhouse of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making them an excellent food for supporting your nervous system. Avocados are particularly rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining proper nerve function. Potassium helps regulate nerve signals and muscle contractions, ensuring that your nervous system operates smoothly. In addition to potassium, avocados are packed with B vitamins including B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, and folate. These vitamins are essential for nerve health and function. For example, vitamin B6 is involved in the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are important for mood regulation and nerve function. Thiamine, B1, and riboflavin, B2, are critical for energy production in nerve cells, while folate supports overall cellular health and DNA synthesis. The healthy fats found in avocados, primarily monounsaturated fats, are also beneficial for the nervous system. These fats support the health and maintenance of the myelin sheath and ensures efficient transmission of nerve signals, which is crucial for quick and accurate communication between the brain and other parts of the body. Avocados also contain antioxidants, such as vitamin E and vitamin C, which protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. Topping our list at number 1 is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, especially with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher, is not only a delicious treat but also a powerhouse of nutrients beneficial for your nervous system. This decadent delight is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Flavonoids are natural compounds found in cocoa that help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. Oxidative stress can lead to inflammation and cell damage, contributing to various neurological disorders and nerve dysfunction. By neutralizing free radicals, the antioxidants in dark chocolate help maintain the health and integrity of nerve cells. One of the key benefits of dark chocolate is its ability to improve blood flow to the brain and nervous system. The flavonoids in dark chocolate promote the production of nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax and dilate blood vessels. This enhanced blood flow ensures that the brain and nerves receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients, which is crucial for optimal function and repair. A study published in the journal Frontiers in Nutrition found that flavonoid-rich dark chocolate could enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Another study in the Journal of Psychopharmacology indicated that dark chocolate consumption could improve mood and reduce stress levels, thanks to its impact on brain function and the release of endorphins. In addition to its antioxidant properties, dark chocolate contains essential minerals such as magnesium, iron, and zinc, all of which support nerve health. Aim to enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate daily to reap its health benefits. You can have it as a standalone treat, or add it to other foods for a nutritious boost. For example, you can melt dark chocolate and drizzle it over fresh fruit, or mix it into a bowl of oatmeal for a delicious breakfast. Dark chocolate chips can also be added to smoothies or used in baking for a healthier twist on your favorite recipes. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as dark chocolate is calorie dense, and consuming it in moderation is key to avoiding excess calorie intake. And there you have it, the top 6 foods for supporting your nervous system and managing neuropathy. By incorporating leafy green vegetables, fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, nuts and seeds, whole grains, avocados, and dark chocolate into your diet, you can provide your body with the essential nutrients needed to maintain nerve health and function. We hope you found this countdown informative and that you're inspired to try incorporating some of these foods into your diet. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and nutrition advice. Do you have any favorite foods that help support your nervous system? Let us know in the comments below. And if you'd like to support our channel further, consider sending us a super thanks or checking out our merchandise. Thanks for watching and take care of your health.